Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's Miriam. For those that are returning back to the channel, thank you very much for coming back to watch another video. You are the reason why we keep doing this. I keep saying that, but I mean it. You are the reason why I keep doing this. So thank you for your continuous support, and thank you for always watching my content. For the new subscribers, hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Miriam, and on this channel we talk about hair care, skincare, and a little bit of everything. So in case you're interested in seeing that, please do hit the subscription button and become part of this family. You can also turn on your notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. So let's get straight into today's video. I know that we are used to using cocoa powder in our foods. We use it for baking, we use it to make our milkshakes, we use it to make ice cream and all that. But today we are going to be using it to make a deep conditioner. So just imagine this nice sweet smell of chocolate in your hair. Must be heavenly, right? So in case you want to see me use cocoa powder on my hair as a deep conditioner, continue watching. By the way, I've used cocoa powder on my face. You can see I don't want to say I have flawless skin, I don't want to say I have flawless skin, but yeah, I used to struggle with my skin a lot because it is very sensitive. Until I started using cocoa powder, I use cocoa powder on my face all the time, and it's been working great. I also use it on my hair to grow my hair. Cocoa powder works best. But today I'm going to be using it as a deep conditioner. It's actually my first time using it as a deep conditioner. So in case you want to see me use it and the end result of that, please do keep watching, and I will see you at
So
the end of
today we
this
are going to
video.
use regular conditioner. We have honey, my herbal hair growth oil, and then our main ingredient is the cocoa powder. You can use any brand of your choice. I don't even know what brand this is, but that's the cocoa powder I used. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to our regular conditioner. So you can use any conditioner of your choice also. I was using my brand's conditioner, so that's the regular conditioner. So we're just going to thoroughly mix everything together until we have a fine paste. So continue mixing it thoroughly until you have the consistency that you are going for. So depending on the brand of conditioner that you will use, you're going to notice that as you mix everything up, it might become watery. Once that is done, you're just going to get your honey and add it to your deep conditioner. So I added 2 tablespoons of honey to my deep conditioner. So you guys know that honey is actually very good for your hair, and cocoa powder is actually excellent too. So I'm just adding some drops of my herbal oil to make sure that as I deep condition my hair, it doesn't miss out on those benefits. So the herbal oil has a lot of benefits. Do check them out on my page. This is how my deep conditioner was looking after everything. You can notice that it's a bit thicker than the time I was making it. So I just went in and added a few tablespoons of the same conditioner just to make it thick. So that's the end result. So now that our conditioner is ready, we are just going to make sure that we apply it to our hair section by section. Now notice that I have low porosity hair. That's the reason why I decided to make my deep conditioner a little bit light. I do not use thick products a lot because I feel they don't really absorb properly. That white stuff you see, that's shampoo. I used a bar soap to shampoo my hair, and to make matters worse, I used a little bit of hot water to wash it out, so it didn't completely come off, but don't worry, we'll fix that. So I'm just going to start applying the deep conditioner, and like I was saying, I use light products because I feel already it's hard that I have low porosity hair, my hair cuticles aren't open, so using thick products I feel doesn't really help me. That's the reason why I use light products, just to ease the penetration or the absorption of the products into my hair strands. So we're just going to start applying the cocoa deep conditioner section by section. So actually, just by seeing, my hair started, my curl started popping immediately. I just started applying this, and for me, I was like, wow. I use the cocoa powder actually for my detox and other stuff. I've also used it as a hair rinse and a hairspray, but never as a deep conditioner. This was my first time using it as a deep conditioner. I was actually very impressed because for hair, it's hard to get those curls popping, but I could see my curls coming through just by me applying that mask in my hair. So that was a plus for me. So I'm just going to continue applying that, and I don't think there's much explanation for me to do from here on. You can actually watch the video, it's self-explanatory. Where need be, I'll come and explain a few things, but for now let's just watch, and I'll let some music play. This is how my hair was looking after applying the mask to my hair. The shrinkage won't let me be. So actually, that was telling me that the product was getting absorbed. I'm just going to put everything in a plastic just to allow it to keep absorbing, but every time my hair starts to shrink, I'm like, yes, the product is doing its thing. So before I actually could put everything in a plastic, my hair was already shrinked up, and I was like, oh, this is good. So you see, actually light products really help get easily absorbed if you have low porosity hair. So after putting everything in a mask, we're just going to get my heating cup, to open up those hair follicles and allow the product to get absorbed. So I'm just going to put this on. I put this on for about 20 minutes. Yeah, I wore this for about 20 minutes and then let everything set before I could wash my hair. This is after I shampooed my hair actually. Yeah, I sat for 20 minutes under the heating cup, then rinsed everything out. Guys, the way my hair was feeling, it was really soft. My hair's never really felt this good in a long time. this mask, I 100% recommend that you give it a try, because trust me, I don't know if it's the combination of products I used, but it is a mwah.
So there you go. That's how that went. Actually, my favorite part about this experiment was that my hair smelled really nice. It had this chocolatey kind of smell, and I just couldn't get over it. And overall, my hair felt great. The honey in the conditioning mask and the yolk, like everything just worked together for my good, because my hair afterwards, oh actually yes, my hair is still feeling great, like my hair is still feeling moisturized. It feels strong, it feels, guys, anyway, I don't allow people to touch my hair, but if you could only reach out and touch my hair, it feels great. So I'll be using that a lot more, because store-bought deep conditioners are expensive and I don't have the quachas to get that. Okay, so for now we'll be using that until we move on to another mask. Okay, good. So in case you enjoyed watching that, please do give me a thumbs up. It's tradition on this channel. After watching, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay, so please do give me a thumbs up. Comment below the favorite part, your favorite part of this video. If you have tried the cocoa mask before, if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will get back to each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. For now, it's bye.